Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials on how to use the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how to add a click to call button on your website. I've uploaded here a templated website and I'm going to add a click to call button in the header, but I'm going to do this in a new row. So if I go into row and I'm going to add a row above this existing one, and I'm going to add a click to call button up here. The click to call is added via widgets. So if I go over here to widgets, I can type in call, or I can scroll down to business, and I can drag in the click to call button. Give it a phone number. In this case, I've given it all the 5s, and a title, call us. And there is the button. We can now change the design of the button. We can change the layout. Let's select this one with an icon to the left. You can change the width and the height of the button, and you can keep it proportionate. I'll do that now. You can change the background color. Let's change the background color to this red color. You can have a border. Let's have the border blue. You can show the icon or not show the icon. We'll show the icon. You can change the icon. And you can select an icon color. You can add an image to the button, but it's probably not appropriate for this type of button to have an image, as we're looking to just show the icon. Let's go to image, select. Doesn't work very well when it's in the header, so I'm just going to delete this, go back to color. There are more design options here. We can now have a hover background color. So that color changes as I hover over it. I might want it to go to this blue color. I can change the hover border color, and I can change the hover icon color. I might want that to go red as well on hover. I can have rounded corners, and I can have a shadow. I can now change the color of the shadow and the positioning. You can also format the text. If I scroll back up, we've got button text. You can change the font size, the font color. Have it bold or not, underline, italics. You can have it alignment to the left, to the center, or to the right. You can change the hover color of the text. I'm going to leave it black in this case. You can have it bold, underlined, or italics. We can have the button to float. I'll come back to that in a minute, and we can add some spacing. Back to floating. The idea of this website was to have the call us button at the top. If I just preview this, I'll show you what I mean. You press that, and there's the number, call us. On a mobile device, it will actually call the number. Just coming back to floating then. You can have this button to be positioned at various points of the website. Let me show you what I mean. Best way to explain this is to demonstrate it. Let's turn this on. The button now appears at the bottom right as selected here, and it will stay here as I scroll up and down the page. I can change the positioning to the right, to the center, top right, top left, bottom, back to the bottom right. I can have it showing on this page only or on all pages. And that is how you add a click to call button on your website.